Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, a couple of weeks ago, I let you know that in Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, Google was rolling out Auto Expand on Hover in Chrome's new vertical tabs, where more progress had been made in Google Chrome Canary, as mentioned. Now, just to let you know that Google once again is expanding and furthering its progress using vertical tabs, this time with the Auto Expand on Hover feature, where Google is now testing 4 variations in a new flag that enables the auto expansion of Chrome's vertical tabs. So for this, if we just quickly head up to our Omnibox, head to our experimental flags page, and we enter vertical. Here you'll see vertical tabs expand on hover, which we enabled in the previous video. And here we've got the 4 different options. The first being enabled with 350 milliseconds hover, and the second 400 milliseconds hover. So basically what that means is the first two control the delay before the panel begins expanding when you hover over it. Now the difference is very subtle, but nonetheless, just to show you for the purpose of this video, so let's try 350 ms. We'll have to relaunch to apply that flag. And now if we hover, there we go. Now if we head back, let's enter vertical again. Let's change that to 400 ms, relaunch. And you'll see it takes a little bit longer after my mouse hovers over it, but the difference is very subtle. But nonetheless, those are the first two options that control the delay before the panel begins expanding when you hover over it. Very subtle difference as mentioned. And then the other two variations control the speed at which the panel actually expands. Now it begins expanding at the same time, but the 250 dps expands a bit faster than the 100 dps. So let's try the 100 dps, relaunch. There we go. And then if we head back for the last example, 250 dps, which as mentioned expands a bit faster than the previous option. And that's quite quick. So there we go. So those are the 4 variations which are now part of that experimental flag. And something else I've noticed is if we hover over and we right click, there's also a new turn off auto expanding tabs. So if we click on that, you can see auto expansion, no more. And then if we right click, turn on auto expanding tabs, there we go. So that's also made it a lot easier. So a little bit more work being done in preview in Chrome Canary. So Google giving vertical tabs quite a lot of attention. And as I've posted previously, is now starting to roll out in the stable version of the browser, be it a very controlled rollout, but it is making its way into more regions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.